आपका जो केमिस्ट्री सलमान खान के साथ में सामने आई थी वो बहुत ही कमाल की थी.
I, of course, naturally was a big Salman Khan fan when I signed that film. I remember him being extremely protective and extremely caring. I think there are very few, actors who are so giving and who are so protective.
इतने मसलों से वो घिरे रहते हैं काफ़ी सालों से, लेकिन हमेशा और एक कूल एंड काम और एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर मेंटेन रखना एंड that fun attitude. लेकिन ये है कि मुश्किल होता होगा मेरे ख्याल से.
He was always light and always playful and always happy and peaceful and fun to be around.
मेरा पहला आपसे सवाल ये होगा कि रिसेंटली रहना है तेरे दिल में रिलीज़ हुई और कमाल का रिस्पांस मिला. क्या आपको लगता है कि आपकी एक फिल्म आई थी तुमको ना भुला पाएंगे कि उसको भी री रिलीज हो सकती है? बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट्स अ फिल्म that when it released it had a cult sort of following as well.
I didn't even know that Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein was going to be released. I actually found out a week before it came into theaters, and I was asked to do a little bit of promotional work for it. And I was like, "What? You're re-releasing it?" And they were like, "Yes, the theaters want it." And शायद तुमको ना भूल पाएंगे रिलीज कर सकते हैं because the music has done really well over the years. People seem to have a deep love for the film. क्या पता वो भी अच्छा कर ली.
Yeah, because I think एक आपका जो केमिस्ट्री सलमान खान के साथ में सामने आई थी वो बहुत ही कमाल की थी and a lot was being said because two very good looking people coming together.
Yeah.
So any memories of तुमको ना भूल पाएंगे?
I have very special memories from that film. I, of course, naturally was a big Salman Khan fan when I signed that film, and when we started to work together, I would be like, it's just like look at him every day and think to myself, I can't believe I'm actually working with this person whose films I've watched over and over again. And my cousins and I would always have these debates about who our favorite Khan was, and Salman and Aamir would always be on the top of the list, and then Shah Rukh took over at some point. It was very interesting.
Right.
But तुमको ना I'll share a very funny incident. तो हम शूट कर रहे थे राजपाल यादव के साथ, और बहुत फ़नी सीन चल रहा था, और सीन के टाइम पे सलमान जो लेडी सलमान के मदर प्ले कर रही थी फिल्म में वो भी थी. शी वाज आल्सो वेटिंग फॉर हर शॉट. हमारे सीन के बाद उनका सीन शूट होने वाला था, तो ऐसी बातें चल रही थी. तो सलमान ऐसी मुझसे कहता है कि तुमको पता है कि एक टाइम पे ये दिस लेडी हुज प्लेइंग माय मदर वाज माय हीरोइन. आई सेड क्या? So I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. I said, what? He said, yeah, she was my leading lady in a film, in one of my early films. And I said, she's playing your mother, which means she's your age and she's playing your mother. And he said, yeah, one day you will play my mother.
Which I don't think
I was like, I hope that day never comes. But of all my memories of working with Salman, this is a distinct one because it was so hilarious. I was so baffled by that. But I remember him being an extremely उस समय में ना फरीदून आज जो जेंडर बैलेंस सेट्स पे है वो नहीं हुआ करता था. Unless you had female dancers, बहुत कम औरतें लड़कियां होती थी सेट पे. ज़्यादातर it used to be a space dominated by men.
Right.
And I remember him being extremely practive and extremely caring. And I'll never forget, हम राजस्थान में गाना शूट कर रहे थे बिंदिया चमके चूड़ी खन के, एंड मतलब जयपुर के आउटस्कर्ट्स में शूट हो रहा था. और एक दिन शूट के बाद हम लौट के वापस आ रहे थे और 100 के तादाद में लोग हमको फॉलो कर रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे, सीटियाँ मार रहे थे, मतलब परेशान कर रहे थे. और सलमान को और मुझे एक गाड़ी में डाल दिया था विद द सिक्योरिटी सो दैट वीड बी सेफ. एंड क्योंकि जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ जमा हो गई थी. एंड आई नेवर फॉरगेट हाउ ही मेड श्योर दैट आई वाज पुट इनटू द कार फर्स्ट.
Okay, all right.
And it's almost those little things,
Chivalrous.
Yes, and caring, and that for me is his distinct trademark that I will never forget. I think there are very few, actors who are so giving and who are so protective.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि दिलचस्प सी एक बात ये है कि इतने मसलों से वो घिरे रहते हैं काफ़ी सालों से, लेकिन हमेशा एक कूल एंड काम और एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर मेंटेन रखना एंड दैट फन एटीट्यूड, लेकिन ये है कि मुश्किल होता होगा मेरे ख्याल से, बिकॉज
I don't know how he is now,
how he does.
Faridun. I can't speak for him now. I haven't actually worked
it's
with
been a
him.
very tough phase that he's going currently.
Yeah, I worked with him many years ago, but the Salman I remember working with was always light. Light. I don't think I ever remember seeing him carrying any of the burden of the weight that he had. He was always light and always playful and always happy and peaceful and fun to be around.
राइट लेकिन करेंटली जिस तरीके का वो एक आई थिंक जो जिस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, और इवन जो एक्टर्स को जिस तरीके से थ्रेट्स होना और ये सारी चीज़ें जिस तरीके की होती रहती हैं, डज इट बॉदर यू?
Yeah,
You
of
find it
course. Of course. I mean, it's artists being under threat, artists being penalized excessively because they're actors is always very disconcerting. It makes everybody uncomfortable, including me, and it has nothing to do with your personal equation with an individual or the level of care or empathy you have for them. I think it's just a human response to when you discover that one of your own